What is up, guys? It's your boy Mal here, and happy 4th of July, and today I've just made some new customs, and this is going to be the first one off. This is the custom wooden railway Rex, made from the spare wooden railway 1998 mic that I got for my birthday, which was yesterday, and this was made from a spare wooden railway old style mic that I got from my friends, as I said before, and I've got another old style wooden railway mic, so I look like, yeah, I used plasticine for the wheels because, yeah, I didn't know how to use paint at the time. Yeah, that was done in deco pens. The beam red. I tried to make this look like how the Rex custom that Enterprising Engine 93 had, that I think Tuckanor had made for him. And also, did you know that back in 2014, like late 2014 or 2015, I made my own wooden Rex out of a 2013 Gordon, which didn't look very good, because this was made before that they announced that they were gonna re-release Mike and make Bert. Yeah, because there's also a custom Bert I made before this version was made. Yeah, and it was pretty bad, but come on, this was made when I was 11. Yeah, and I've changed. Anyways, that's first one done, and now for my next custom, which actually was, sorry about that, actually a repainted one. This is my repainted wooden railway Smudger. Yeah, I repainted it dark green because some of the paint was coming off, and added the lining just recently, and this took me 2 months to make. Though I repainted this after filming my Duncan remake, because and also I added the number 2, which is something that the wooden railway model did not have. Yes, and those have been my wooden railway custom Rex and the repainted Smudger, and I hope you guys liked them. And I'll see you all in the next video.